Mason.
Mason.
Sorry, it's
Okay.
a long shot.
So I know you're mad because we hung up on you while we were video chatting, but we love you.
We love
And you're freaking amazing.
you. Yeah, you're freaking amazing.
I think you're a piece of shit, but
I don't think so.
That was really mean.
That was really me, Kylie. But me and Jody love you.
Yeah, we love you.
Like
for
to death.
you're like my bestie.
You're my bestie too.
you like to pick on me.
You're not very nice sometimes.
You tickle
No.
me, and then you make me hit my head against my trash can.
Well, we should hang out again.
No, we shouldn't. No, I'm
Yeah,
just
we
kidding.
should.
You burnt my child,
Yeah, you burned her child.
and I hate you for that. That's why I'm being mean to you. So it seems like, oh.
And you need to give her child back before we call.
Yeah, you should. Totally.
Hey, my ex-boyfriend's name's
Because
Leslie.
I'm pissed at you, and you're picking at my elbow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Weird.
Okay, well, Mason, I can't see you because she's on Facebook, but now I can. But anyways,
You can't see him anyway.
well, I can't see myself. Whatever.
Okay.
You're so stupid.
We've
But I love you.
We've had really
Mwah.
a rough
I love you.
start, or rocky, for the past.
There,
We've
haha, I
gone
liked
through
it.
a
Thanks.
lot. Shit.
We have to
Okay,
go.
but
More
good
people are
night.
liking.
We love you and hit us up so we can chill.
Bye.
Bye.
I dipshit.